Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. Yeah, unfortunately, there is not much more to add. We continue to be in this triangle pattern. You could call it a descending triangle. It's not entirely clear yet if the triangle is over yet. To be honest, if I had to make a call here, I would even say it's not finished yet, this Elliott wave triangle. Of course, you could make the case that here, let me just explain to you again. We said we rallied possibly in 5 waves to the upside in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the move that started on the 27th of March and ended on the 31st of March. And then based on that, we said we could probably come down in a wave W, a wave X and a wave Y. And the X wave is a triangle. So as per Elliott wave, waves X can be triangles. And such an Elliott wave triangle consists of 5 waves. A, B, C, D, E, and it could be finished, but typically what you see when a triangle finishes, it makes this impulsive move to the downside. It's normally a very sharp move. I don't see anything like that yet, so we need to be ready that this triangle could easily extend, and then there's the possibility that it is the E wave that's extending, or even, something much more, let's say, extended. Yeah, there's nothing that wouldn't allow us to say this here is the A wave, then we had the C wave over here, so it's basically all extending out, but at the moment it's a bit hard to say. We just need to be ready that these triangles can always extend out further, or maybe that it's not a triangle but a different kind of a corrective pattern. Did explain to you the possibility that we get a high X wave here as well. So the high X wave, if we get it, yeah, that might actually move all the way up to 42.4 cents, and there will be resistance at 40.1, 40.55, which is the point where the triangle will be invalidated, and we talk about a different structure, even though it would still be an X wave. Then a wave 41 cents, the 1-to-1, 100% retracement, and the 1.38 retracement. Only above that I can rule out an X wave. Okay, that's simply due to the structure that we've seen here at the moment. At the moment, my forecast would still be that somewhere here we're turning around to the downside, finish off this Y wave, even though it's holding quite well at the moment, while Bitcoin, Ethereum are actually fulfilling already their Y wave forecast. So it's just we need to be a bit open here, because this still looks corrective, but it's currently holding quite well. So, my view is, in general, and to keep it simple, it's just as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, that we can focus generally on higher in a third wave, because somewhere in here we would complete a wave 2. At the moment, I don't have a clear bottom signal in. So, however, the trend is up against 35.2 cents. And as long as we're holding that, we can say that either the wave 2 is still in the making, which I currently would believe based on the current price action, or wave 2 was already finished here when we hit the yellow trend reversal area for the first time. But then counting this here as a 1-2 setup is possible, but it's just not my preferred. It just doesn't look like it at the moment. Only really if we get an impulsive rally from here to the upside, I would have to consider it. But then there's even another possibility. So basically this was one possibility, one scenario, that we've got this series of 1-2, 1-2 setups, and the next rally in a third wave could take us to, around about 50 cents, but eventually more. This one scenario, and then the question is just, how do we complete this X wave and the Y wave, which is basically the noise of the market. And the other possibility is that, we had basically here a diagonal pattern that's unfolding, a wave, 1. So off this 10th of March low to the 21st of March high, a wave 1, came down in a wave 2. This here is a third wave. What we're now doing is a fourth wave, some shape or form. And then there will be one more wave up in a fifth wave. And that would complete a higher degree wave 1. And then we would come down in a wave 2. So this is another possibility, would explain the choppy nature of this current price increase here. But it's not my favorite, so I'm gonna see if we hold 35.2 cents first. That's for me more important than trying to figure out the most pristine Elliott wave count on the lower time frames, which changes very often anyway. So it's the fib levels which give us really the clue here which scenario is currently in the making. And again, as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, for me the trend is up. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.